everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video ay samahan nyo kami mag-travel going to Hat Yai, Thailand! Ayan, at time check guys, it's 4:50 in the morning here in Penang. So it's 1 hour advance po tayo sa Hat Yai, Thailand. So let's go!
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Penang Central, specifically sa KTM Butterworth train station. So nakabili na kami ng ticket. Ang hinihintay na lang namin yung bus. So time check, it's 5:54. Ang bus ay first train going to Padang Besar is 6:50. So marami pa kaming oras. At least okay na yun, relax na lang. So mamaya bababa kami sa platform number 4. So platform number 4, doon kami sasakay going to Padang Besar. Roughly 1 hour and 45 minutes. I-round off muna 2 hours. Siyempre, pero on time sila dito palagi. So yun, this will be our first going to Hat Yai. So, magko-cross border kami just to experience and explore the city.
Ay maaga pa kasi 1 hour advance ang Malaysia sa Thailand.
Kung 5:54 na ngayon, 4:54 pa lang sa Thailand. 1 hour delay sila. Pero the reason why we are so early, kasi if let's say 2 hours yung biyahe, 6:57, 8:09, maabutan namin yung first trip ng tren going naman to Hat Yai. Yun ang medyo challenge kasi pag na-miss mo yung first trip, parang next trip na 12 PM, 1 PM. So mapipilitan ka, alternative, magbavan ka. Eh pag tren, magandang experience yun. Yung lumang tren ng Thailand, tapos 8 ringgit lang. Tapos pag van, 30 ringgit per person. O, diba? It's pricey. Although ihatid ka sa immigration, dito, pag first trip, maano mo yung tren, makapag-immigration ka sa Padang Besar area. But anyway, so yun lang, hinihintay na lang namin. At least hindi na kami mag-worry at nagmamadali. So later guys, okay guys, 6:50 aalis, pero pwede na mag-board ng 6:20. So ang platform number 4. So we will show it to you. Okay, hi guys. So, nandito na kami sa Padang Besar. Time check, it's 8:11 AM Malaysian time. So, hinihintay na lang namin yung ticketing para makabili kami ng ticket going to Hat Yai using the, the classic traditional train ng Thailand. 8 ringgit each. So, 16 ringgit. Dalawa kami. So, ang procedure is bili mo na ng ticket. Tapos pagkabili, sa baba, nandun yung immigration ng Malaysia at Thailand. So, in short, hindi ka naman maiiwanan ng tren. Kasi bakit? Magbubukas yung ticketing ng 9, bibili ka ng ticket, baba ka agad. Tapos, ang dating ng tren, based doon sa schedule, 10:15. So, meron kang more or less 1 hour for the immigration. Tapos, diretso na. So, yun. Yun yung first option. Or, if you want, kasi gusto mo nang makapunta kagad sa Hat Yai City proper, magbaban ka. 30 ringgit each. Ang maganda lang dun sa van, ihatid ka dun sa immigration, ibang part. Ibang immigration area ng Malaysia mo na baba ka sa van, tatak, hintayin ka, sakay ka ulit. Tapos, ihatid ka naman sa Thailand, immigration side, tatak, pasok ulit. And then, ang maganda lang sa van is, kung saan ka naka-check yung hotel, ihatid ka doon. So, those are the two means of going to Hat Yai. Kaya, pag sa tren, dalawa lang. 10 a.m., 10:15, ang next na, yung isa parang 2 p.m. na. Dalawa lang. Ganon din, from Hat Yai to going back here in Padang Besar, Malaysia, 8:55 doon, yung morning travel. Tapos next is 2 p.m. na. So in short, dalawa lang. So kung na-miss mo, kunyari gusto mo tren papunta, Hat Yai, tapos tren din pabalik ng Padang Besar, Malaysia, kailangan susundan mo yung schedule. Pero pag na-miss mo yung isa, you have the option, van na nga lang. Pero for now, we want the train para ma-experience namin yung classic. So yun lang. So later. Hi guys. So na kami sa immigration ng Malaysia at Thailand. Pa-board na kami sa train going to Hat Yai.
Ayan.
It will only take 45 minutes.
Bali magkatabi na yung Malaysian immigration tsaka yung Thailand immigration.
So, yun. Pakita namin yung train. Sawadika!
Sawadika! Welcome to Thailand!
So, we are here in the old train from Padang Besar going to Hat Yai. 45 minutes to 1 hour yan. So far, konti lang yung tao kasi hindi pa weekend.
Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa Hat Yai. Ayan. So, train station to. Oo.
So, 5 minutes walk lang yung aming hotel. Yung hotel pala is Aloha Hotel. So, you can comment if this is a good hotel kasi first time namin Hat Yai. Pero 5 minutes walk from the train station.
Ayan, so time check, 11:45 nila dito kasi 12:45 sa Malaysia time. Ayan. Later! So, punta muna kami guys sa Robinson's Mall. Ayan. Yan naman yung mga napapanood namin sa mga YouTube. Ayan. So, hindi natin maintindihan ang mga signage nila guys. Only Robinson's. Ayan. So, pasok tayo. Medyo mainit. Pero yung weather naman, ayan, medyo gloomy. Mahangin.
guys, I hope nagustuhan niyo itong simple travel vlog from Penang to Hat Yai via train. And to end this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, or hit the bell notification. And if you have some comments, comment down below. And again, maraming salamat and goodbye!
Sawadee ka!
Sawadee ka!